People keep asking us, how many arrows can a KHAMPA target take? Well, to be honest, it's a really difficult question to answer. It depends on what kind of bow you're shooting, what diameter arrows you're using, the general environmental conditions you're shooting under. To be honest, we've gotten kind of sick and tired of doing all the tests, so we've decided today to come out to Cambodia and do a real test, the best test we can imagine, to see what exactly can a KHAMPA target take. We don't know what the results are going to be, but we'll see.
Okay, I'm ready. Hi. 3, 2, 1.
A little blackened, but still doing great. KHAMPA